You know, Kevin, sometimes we've gotten the question, how can I settle my car wreck case without a lawyer? How do we respond to that?
We would discourage you from doing that. It is very difficult. There are a lot of things that must happen after you are injured in a car wreck in order to get even the insurance company to play fairly. For instance, you have to get medical treatment. You then have to gather medical records. You have to gather medical bills, do your own investigation, get the police report, talk to the insurance agents or the insurance adjusters over and over and over again. They want you to do recorded statements. They want you to send in all kinds of paperwork. And then once you think you may overcome all of that, they will offer you some money, which the first offer is always bullshit. And then they will say, okay, take it or leave it. And so then you have to think, all right, do I need to take this amount of money or do I want more? Let's say you get to the point to where you're like, fine, I will take that money. You then have to go and work with the medical providers to reduce your medical bills, to try to get them to reduce. You know, hospitals, Medicare, Medicaid, they don't have to reduce. Nobody has to reduce their medical bills. And so it's a very, very tough process from the very get-go. And so we would encourage you to not go it alone and to hire a law firm like DFW Injury Lawyers. We handle all of those steps, including getting you the proper medical treatment that you need. So while yes, you may be able to handle the settlement on your own, we would really discourage it and at least give us a call and have a consultation with us so that we can explain all of the steps that you need to go through in order to do it on your own.